Welcome to A for Adeline.
Ooh, where are we?
At the farm. Having an Easter hunt. Daddy, you not been here.
I've never been here.
Yeah, but you not seen the infant.
Yeah,
No.
well, you
Let's
can
go.
have
Are we
fun.
going, Adeline? Are you going to show us the way?
Yeah.
And the piglets.
Oh, little piglets and a pig. Wow. Wow. And it's an Easter egg hunt. Okay, so it's a bunny barn. Oh, it's a game. Do you want to play the game? Hi.
I think you first need to go and find the eggs.
Do we need to find the eggs first?
Yeah, you start down there by the petrol.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, we start. Look. Look, there is a sign by the petrol. Do you see the petrol by the garage?
Oh, look over there.
Ooh, Emma knows where the eggs are. Girls, Adeline, Emma, come here. Remember, the girl said, what do we fill tractor with so it can go? That's the toilets. Adeline, Emma. Look. Look, is that what we use to fill the gas? Look down. Wow, take one. Now let's read the next clue. Next clue. In the parlour. Look for purple. Let's go to the parlour. Where is the parlour? I think it's over there. Emma, let's go. Parlour. I think so. And it says look for purple. Do you think it's at the tractor track? Do you want to ride the tractor? Do you want to ride the tractor? Look, we need to go to the parlour and look for purple.
Okay, where's the parlor?
I don't know. We need to keep looking for it.
We need to keep looking.
Look inside. You need to look everywhere. That's the hunt.
No.
I saw glitter inside.
What did you saw?
Glitter.
Glitter. Wow.
And the eggs are glitter. That means
Yeah. Maybe let's go. Go down the slide. Go down the slide. Ooh. Emma, go down the slide. Yay.
All the places. Not there?
Let's go down there.
Okay.
Ooh. is there? Who is there? You want to see? Who is here? Are there some eggs? Ooh, look at the birdies. The dark blue one is called Rocky. The light blue is called Dusty. Hi, Rocky. Hi, Dusty. Who is here?
At the park.
Oh, there is a big piggy that is sleeping. Is she cute? Look what's there.
Monkey? Is that a fish?
It's a donkey. No?
A pony?
It's a pony.
I think pony.
Look. And there's some sheep. Oh, they're so cute.
Nice, nice.
Oh, wow. Next clue. Where the lambs can be seen, look for the color green. Lambs. Let's go see where the lambs are. No, do you want to look for the bunnies first?
Yeah,
Let's look at the bunnies first. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, these lambs are so tiny. Oh, yeah, he's a bit sick, so he's hiding. Oh, they're just sleeping. The puppies are sleeping. Oh, they're so cute. Let's go. You found green eggs? Where? Ooh, well done.
Wait, we already got a green egg.
It's okay.
No, you take it, yeah, because there are more. Next clue, wait girls, next clue. In the farmyard, you'll find an old sink, not being used for what you think. Look for color pink.
Look for color pink.
So we need to find sink. Look at there, what's that?
That's a fish.
Is that a fish?
No, that's a chicken.
Chickens and roosters. We need to find?
Yeah.
So what's the next clue? Can you tell
I'll
me?
look after your...
Adeline, can you tell me the next clue?
I'm trying to keep my joint. I'm exhausted with my jumper now.
You can take it off. You want to do... Where do you want to go? Karting or... You want to go there? Okay, let's go.
Go-kart.
You want to go go-karting? Okay, you can go go-karting. Can you do it yourself, baby?
No.
Do you need my help? 1 second. Who was that? Did you see that? Coming. Now, I'm gonna hold it. You're gonna get on it? Well done. Can you do it? Yes. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yay! Now you have to get off and come. Jump. Yay! Adeline, well done.
Help me.
I'm helping you, okay. You want to go again?
But this time, do it by face down back.
Okay. Jump, jump, jump. Yeah, like, you want me to swirl you? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Yay! Let's go. Is that the next clue?
And then
The broken tractor just won't do. If you'll find it, you'll find color blue.
Okay, let's go.
a tractor that is blue, right?
No, the tractor needs to be broken and there are blue eggs nearby.
Let's find them.
A broken tractor.
Yes.
Broken tractor.
Maybe up here.
Maybe up there.
I like the blue. I like my hair.
You like your hair?
Blowing in the wind. I think I saw one of that. I thought it broken.
Yeah?
Okay, let's go
Keep
see.
walking, just don't step in the puddle, please, because you don't have any wellies. If your feet get wet,
Emma, but we can't go there.
Broken tractor.
Have to go here. Ooh, look, there is something broken over there. Let's... Oh, wow! Well done. Do you want to know the next clue?
Yeah.
Daddy, read it.
at harvest time, this machine will forage. Close by you will find the color orange.
I want to have
Emma? Keep running.
We will, yes. Look, Adeline found... What did you find? Well done. So what's the next clue? Can you read it? Not yet.
Can you hold it? When we grow oats for porridge, can you find the color orange?
Ooh.
Another orange. For
There were
porridge.
oats here. Let's go see.
somewhere nearby.
Yeah,
You can see it?
I don't. Did you find it already? That is so cool. So oats were here. Oh, did it fall down? We need to keep it for other kids.
Daddy, what do you say?
Where you find the scary fellow, look for the color yellow.
Who is scary?
A scary fellow.
Scary fellow.
Remember where the scary fellow is? No.
Who can be scary? Like a scarecrow? I see horses.
A horse is scary?
A horse is scary? Why not? What's that? Can somebody tell me what's that?
Adeline, you dropped something?
Adeline, do you know what that big thing is?
No.
Oh, don't pick it up. Yeah, somebody dropped it. And guys, we need to go because there's tractor going our way.
Let's go on the grass.
Look, side.
Looking for. Oh, this horse is so nice.
So, are they creepy?
Do you want to go see the horses first?
No.
No?
Not creepy.
I see a very, very big pig.
Hey, we can go in here.
And her name is, what's her name? Can you read it?
No.
Look, the
No. Emma.
her name is Emma. Can you believe it? That pig's name is Emma.
Yes, my name has E.
And then M. And then M. And then A. That's your name. That pig's name is Emma. Say hi, Emma. I'm also Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm also Emma. Daddy, the pig name is Emma.
No, it's cool.
Yeah.
And you know what the horse's name is?
No.
Jake. Do you know
Jake.
do you know someone with the name Jake?
What?
So which way? Are we going this way?
I'm looking at the map.
You're looking at the map? Okay, let's look at the map. What does the map say?
We are over here.
Mm-hmm.
Is that true?
Who is that?
Oh,
Hello.
that's a dog. I know that. Hi, dog.
Careful, Emma.
Not dog.
Oh,
Don't put your fingers in this.
It's a goat dog.
It's a goat. Really?
careful, Emma.
Looks just like Lila.
Yeah.
But why?
Lily has horns.
No, she doesn't.
Sometimes.
You're going there? We're not gonna go see other horse. Look, it's following you, Emma. It likes you so much.
I think he wants you to,
Give him food.
no, to stay here and live with him.
Do you wanna live with the goat? No, why not? Look, I think it's gonna follow you again. Look. It's following Emma. Are you trying to run away from here? It's gonna go back now because it loves you.
Come back.
Emma, come back. We love you. Emma,
What? Okay,
let's go that way.
let's follow Emma like goats.
You see another clue? Oh, these horses are so pretty.
Or these guys. They're fluffy, right?
I think that's sheep. Really?
But you have a hat and you're my pillow.
Very stinky. Did we found all? The last one. Go, go, go.
Wait, do you have 12 eggs?
Let's count.
Emma, hold. I'll count. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You only have 10. You need 2 more.
2 more.
Take 2 more.
Can we?
No.
2,
We need to find where they're hidden.
4, 6, 8, 10.
10 more. I think we didn't find the parlo.
Yeah.
Let's look in the parlo. Let's go.
Let's go back.
Let's go back and see what we missed.
What they say? Keep your eyes open for clues. And eggs.
No. I saw something when we were walking. What?
Oh yeah.
Go have a look.
Nothing here? Okay. Do you want to go to the start? Yeah, let's go to the start.
What was that?
Over there.
At the playground?
Yes. Let's go to the playground.
Come here.
Oh, the tractor is coming. Come here. I don't think it stops here, babies. We need to go Is there eggs inside there? Look, you see, it's going that way. Hungry.
Me, I can never even find any more. I'm sorry.
You can barely find even more? Okay. So you're so hungry that you can't even walk?
No, I just can't find it.
You just can't find eggs? Okay.
My eyes can't be that open. That means.
Really? Are you having fun though?
Yeah.
Do you like it here? What's the best part?
I might fall asleep on the car, on the train ride.
You silly goose.
Because I'm sleeping.
Where are we at? We're in the tunnel. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. And the tunnel is off. Do you want to ask the bunny where the parlo is? You can go ask the bunny where the parlo is. It's called Milkin Parlo. Let's go to the Milkin Parlo. Emma! Emma, we found! It's the Milkin... Did you find all the eggs? I think so. Let's go get the chocolate egg. Is that where we're going to get the chocolate egg, Emma?
Mom, these are my
There was the last egg in the parlo. There are none there now. But you have to get your buckets back, guys. So which one are you choosing? Okay, you can take only one. So we're done with our egg hunt and we're eating ice cream and looking at the fairy walk. Look, that's the game. We can't touch it because we have ice cream, right? But we can play after maybe if we finish here. Let's see at this house. Who do you think lives here?
A fairy or a... Wait! It might be...
Can you fit in there? I think it's too big, right? You're too big. Emma, careful.
I bet that's a troll's house.
Troll's house?
Yeah. And the miniature ones are fairies.
Oh, look, what's that? Is that like an owl or something?
That's the troll.
Maybe the troll, yeah. Oh, did you see this small house over here?
It's a fairy house. I spot a fairy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look. There is a house.
Boys and girls. See you on my next channel. Bye.
Emma, do you want to say bye-bye?
Say the next channel is mine. The next channel
Video.
is my sister. Video is my sister.
Okay. Emma, say see you next time.
See you next time.